What does rural population data typically include? In recent news, rural population data has become a hot topic as communities across the United States seek to understand their demographics better. With ongoing discussions about rural development, many are curious about what this data entails. If you are wondering how this information impacts your community, you are not alone. Let's break down what rural population data typically includes. First, population size and density are fundamental aspects. This data shows how many people live in rural areas and how spread out they are. Understanding this helps in planning resources and services. Next, age distribution is another key component. It provides information on various age groups within the rural population. This includes children, working-age adults, and seniors. Knowing the age distribution helps identify the needs of different groups. Income levels also play a significant role in rural population data. This includes details on per capita income or household income. Often, this data highlights economic challenges that rural counties face. Education attainment is crucial as well. It shows the levels of education achieved by residents. Areas with lower education rates often experience population loss, making this data vital for community planning. Employment and industry sectors are important too. This data reveals the types of jobs available and the dominant industries in rural areas. Understanding employment patterns can influence migration trends and economic stability. Health and access to health care are increasingly significant topics. Data related to health outcomes and the availability of medical services is crucial. Many rural transformation programs aim to improve healthcare access based on this information. Migration patterns are another aspect of rural population data. This shows whether rural areas are gaining or losing population. Economic opportunities and quality of life often drive these trends. Housing and infrastructure information is also included. This data covers housing availability, quality, and infrastructure such as schools and transportation. Lastly, social indicators provide metrics on family structure and poverty rates. These factors significantly affect the lives of rural residents. This data is collected through sources like the United States Census and various federal and state programs. It helps policymakers and researchers understand the challenges and opportunities in rural America. For instance, states like Maine utilize this information to address issues from education to environmental management. Efforts like the Rural Transformation Program focus on improving healthcare access and economic conditions based on demographic information. Understanding rural population data is essential for shaping a better future for these communities.